Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Swisslink. Feel free to check them out on swisslink.com. We have a large variety of items on there. Again, Swisslink. So let's go ahead and check it out. Let's get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can open this up. I'm assuming this is the top. So let's get out an opening tool. Flatten that out a little bit. I always start at the edges of the box. Damaged item. I use the back of the knife at the end and just use a pressure cut. Alright, so let's see what we got on the top. Let's see if this included a manifest or not. Looks like they did. Alright, so again, Swisslink. And they also include pictures with their description, so to help you identify if you order a whole bunch of stuff and you got to oh, interesting. Includes a letter from the CEO. Thank you. It's kind of a disclaimer. Thank you for shopping, inspection statement, some disclaimers about the age of the items and what to expect, and contact info as well. But you'll get all that when you order. So let's get the box off to the side here. And oh wow, this is kind of hefty. Okay, everything's bagged. And come on. Scissors. Tape is coming out. I like to keep tape on the bags. Squeeze me while I make sure that no one's there. Alright. So, item is bagged. Looks like they have their own tracking sticker on there. Unless that's actually how they got it. It's a Kunin Watts and Stone Limited, 2008. Okay. Oh wow, this thing's new. Alright, so, from the manifest, British Desert Dpm Smock Combat Windproof Parka, new, extra large, 180 by 112. And let's see, this few new. Let's get this out of the way. Oh, very nice. Let's do a quick run through on this. We got a hood at the top. Wire reinforcement in there I can feel already. Typical of the British Parkas. Got a button at the back. Button something else on there. Possibly to retain the hood, like so. With this loop. I won't do it right now. Looks like we got connected drawstring here. Button release. See that? Also typical of the more modern Parkas. Big collar. Looks like we got Velcro. 2 points up here, large strips. Another one here in the middle. And there probably should be another one closer to the bottom, if not more. So in case your zipper fails, you can always use the Velcro. And we have zipper pull, zipper, and double zipper at the bottom. Nice. So in case one fails, you have a backup, I guess. Or I don't remember how these actually work. And let's see. Or you can zip it up, unzip from the bottom while maintaining the top zipper, so you can access trouser pockets, etc. So here's our label. Smock Combat Windproof, Desert DP, serial number, NATO size, standard size, contract number, name. Okay, not the manufacturer though. Let's see another tag down here. Model number. Where's that? Nope, that's the order number. That's the lot number. That syncs up with that. Interesting. You can actually keep this in one of the pockets just for posterity's sake. And also as an emergency bag. Tuck that right away in here. Posterity. Okay. So you can see how the pattern continues on the inside as well, but not all the way through. Take a look at this one sleeve. See how they stitch different sections together. Cuffs are Velcro, basic hem, wide hem actually, about an inch. Pockets, bellowing at the bottom. You can see here for expansion, one large loop attached button, typical of the British style parkas. Got a reinforced neck area here, flap. Keep your neck a little bit warmer. Back of your shoulders during inclement weather. Okay, so let's take a look. Pocket on this side, similar. We do have a lower pocket, also similar. Is it a little bit bigger? It does appear to be bigger than the top pockets. Similar bellowing at the bottom for expansion. Also on this side. So we got 4 pockets on the front, 2 top, 2 bottom. And then we got British flag on this shoulder. Looks like we have a tiny pocket up here. And again, the Velcro cuffs. So let's flip over real quick. And there's that button on the back of the hood to roll up the hood and use that loop on the inside to attach and store the hood. Back, you can see we have a area where we have the drawstrings. Drawstrings are actually toward the middle of the back here on the inside. You can see that. So flip it over, you can see again the corresponding area on the back, the stitching area right here. Going all the way across. And yeah, Desert Dpm pattern, pretty cool. Alright. Let's set this aside real quick. Actually, let me try it on real quick. I know it's extra large, but it'd be good for wearing bulkier clothing underneath. It is a bit large, but if I do wear bulkier clothing, it'll be perfect. So, very nice. Shoulders are a good fit. Arms are a little long for me, but the shoulders fit me. So again, bulkier clothing will help pull those sleeves up a little bit. Set that aside over here. Alright, take some of that glare off real quick. Okay, one more item. This is Tropico Camo Dutch Military BDU Pants, large, 38-inch to 35-inch, sorry, to 38-inch waist, I'm assuming. I'm not sure what the inseam is. Let me do a quick waist check. Oh, perfect. Just put them for leg length against my waist. So, real quick, button at the top. Interesting. Well, we'll know when we put them on when they're more curvy or not. Don't matter. Let's see. Here's our inner tag. MSN number 93, I believe, would be the manufacture date. Here's our composition and the laundry instructions. Looks like we have a reinforcement sewing point right there. I can see right away. This is actually a flap. Is that a pocket or? Oh, it's a pocket. Interesting. It's a center pocket. Oh, we'll have to take a better look at that. Alright, looks like there's waist cinch points here with Velcro. Let's see if there's just similar on this side. Yes, there is. So that's 2 ways to tighten up the waist without using a belt. Belt loops, we got 2 in the front, 2 more. Let's see if I can hold these on. There's actually quite a few belt loops. 2 at the front, 2 at the front of the hips, the cinch points, working our way to the back, 2 at the sides of the back, and 1 right in the center of the back. Pocket-wise, slash pockets, fairly deep, both sides, zipper fly. Pockets on the cargo pockets, looks like there's snaps, 2 snaps. The prong type snaps, and there is actually some slight bellowing. I wasn't sure when I ordered if they were bellowed or not, but they are flush at the bottom, so the bellowing is only at the sides. Likewise on the other pocket, cargo pocket. Okay, working our way down the leg, there's a smaller pocket on the side of the calf. On this pant leg, and no drawstring, just a hem at the bottom. Let's check out the other leg. The other leg just has the 1 large cargo pocket and not the smaller pocket as on this leg. Okay, let's flip it over. Does not appear to have a reinforced bottom or seat. And pocket-wise, oh, okay, that wasn't a center pocket. I was just looking at it wrong. It's only a pocket on the right side rear. Button flap, loop, and not that deep. And again, that's where the care instructions were. So asymmetrical back, asymmetrical lower leg pocket. Nice pattern. I'm assuming by having these Velcro side straps, I'll be able to adjust the waist to fit me as needed. Some extra fluff that's stuck to the Velcro there. So working our way backwards, again, Tropical Camo Dutch Military BDU pants, large. And we started off with British Desert Dpm Smock Combat Windproof Parka, new. So these all came again from swisslink. Check them out. Got a lot of stuff on their store site, swisslink. And there's been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific vintage, milsurp, tool type, and other expanded topic items. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and we also do curios for the curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all of those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.